Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
After you've cleared the snow off your car and you're driving down the road and you start to feel vibration and you get really worried, there's a good possibility that there is snow stuck inside your wheel. So I did an okay job clearing this one before I came to work today, but basically this extra snow that gets stuck in here is like wheel weights that don't belong, and it throws off the balance of your tire and wheel, and you'll get a vibration when you go down the road. So you can try to come in here with a glove and knock out as much of the snow as you can. You know, your wheels are probably dirty, so you want to wear old gloves. If you've got the option, if it's like not going to be too cold or it's available to you, you could go to a car wash, a self-service one, and blast out the wheels with hot water. All right, here's an extreme example of snow getting packed in your wheels. So, you know, you're snow blowing your driveway, you're cleaning out, you got to drive through deep snow to get out of somewhere, and you'll get snow stuck in here. This will definitely cause a vibration. So you just want to come in either with a glove or the end of your snow brush and just knock this stuff out the best you can. And luckily, the wheel hasn't gotten hot yet and had the snow melt and refreeze. It's still pretty loose, because that can happen. You'll get driving, you'll get the heat from the brakes, it'll transfer to the wheel, the snow will start to melt, it'll refreeze, and you'll get clumps on the edges, throwing off your balance. But this is the #1 cause of vibration complaints after a snowstorm. Just gotta knock these out, and that should be good enough.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.